Sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being for several reasons. 1. Physical health and restoration. During sleep, the body goes through various processes to repair and regenerate tissues, muscle growth, and protein synthesis. This is crucial for healing and maintaining physical health. In addition, sleep enhances the immune system's ability to function effectively, helping the body to fight off infections and illnesses. Lack of sleep can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to diseases. Sleep also helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate, which are vital for cardiovascular health. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. 2. Cognitive function. Sleep plays a critical role in consolidating memories and processing information. During sleep, the brain organizes and stores information from the day, which is essential for learning and memory retention. What's more, adequate sleep improves attention, problem-solving skills, decision-making, and creativity. Lack of sleep can impair cognitive functions, leading to decreased productivity and increased errors. 3. Emotional and mental health. Sleep helps regulate emotions and mood. A good night's sleep can enhance emotional resilience, while sleep deprivation can increase irritability, mood swings, and susceptibility to stress. In addition, chronic sleep deprivation is linked to mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining mental health and emotional balance. 4. Hormonal balance. Sleep regulates the release of various hormones, including growth hormone, which is vital for growth and development, and cortisol, which is involved in stress response. It also affects hormones related to hunger and appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin, influencing weight management and metabolism. 5. Energy conservation and restoration. Sleep helps conserve energy by lowering the body's metabolism and allowing it to rest. This energy conservation is essential for maintaining overall energy levels and physical performance throughout the day. Besides, during sleep, the brain clears out toxins and waste products that accumulate during waking hours. This detoxification process is crucial for maintaining brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.